You can access Padlet by keying in a website address or scanning a QR code. Key in any passwords given. On the left is a post made by the owner. You can make a comment by clicking on it and typing down some words. Click the arrow to submit. For my students, please write your real name. Once you have submitted the comment, it will appear on the left side of the post. If you have made a mistake, you can delete or edit your comment. As you can see, the Padlet owner is not asking for us to comment on the comment section. It is asking us to create a new post. Click on the plus symbol to create a post. You can type a header for your post you would like to create. You can add attachments such as pictures, videos, and audio. Give permission to the website to allow it to access your camera. There are some unique functions to the cameras. You can use filters to make your pictures or videos more interesting. Here is an example of how I will record a video. I will select a filter, click record, click pause, submit next, review the video, save it and wait for it to upload. You can comment on your own video or explain to your friends about what is happening. You can choose to submit the post or delete it. If you're camera shy, you can just use the audio recording button. You can even record your screen if you're using a laptop. You can even draw pictures or words manually. If you do not like what you have drawn, you can always delete it. You can attach YouTube videos to this post as well. Here is an example of me trying to add a video. But that is not what the owner of the Padlet wants you to do. So students, please create a post, type your name and submit it like this. I will delete the post and show you the steps again. To create a post, click on the plus sign, write your name and say that you have watched the video. Click the submit button and your post should appear on the left side. Thanks for watching.